and the festival organizers for inviting me. And I had the privilege and honor of connecting with Tegmanshu. He is an old friend of mine. Talk over a subject of passion and love, which both of us share. He is a practicing filmmaker of the highest standards in the country, setting some great benchmarks. Tegmanshu ji can call himself an Allahabadi because he had his education there and he was growing up there. Though he's from Uttarakhand, but he is educated out of Allahabad. He was quite active in student politics. So maybe lots of his angst and passions and emotions and things come out of his very feverish engagement when he was growing up. And then obviously he went to National School of Drama in 87. NSD is the premier institution of its kind in the country and the Asia. So he had his serious grounding in theatre and writing and reading about creative literature from all across the world. Then he dabbled in, umpteen number of things connected with cinema. As a casting director, as a writer, as a script writer, as an actor. So this is the background.
For inviting me to Guwahati, I very much wanted to come here. I had never seen this part of the country. When I was 11 years old, then I went to Odisha with my parents. That's about it. But I have many friends from Guwahati. Being from the National School of Drama, I have many friends. My seniors, my junior, Pranjala and Barul Islam and Anup Hazarika. Anup Hazarika and Barul are my juniors. So coming back to my roots, I'm basically from Uttarakhand. पहाड़ का हूँ, जैसे आप लोग गुवाहाटी के, मैं भी पहाड़ का हूँ. But at that time, Uttarakhand was part of Uttar Pradesh, so my dad came to Allahabad to practice law because Allahabad में high court है, and there I was born. Allahabad is a very special place, I must say. No other city in India is like Allahabad because it has given so many people from Hindi literature, so many prime ministers. I mean, 6-7 prime ministers are from Allahabad. So Allahabad was very culturally active, musically, culturally, politically active, and a house of rebels, you can say. So like I just saw the Guwahati Cine Club, we also had a film club in Allahabad, and there, because I have two elder brothers, and they used to go to these film clubs. And I was very young, I was in 10th, 11th, and I used to go to these film clubs and watch Bergman and Truffaut and Godard, and could not understand a thing. But whatever I was watching on screen, I could just barely understand that this is something important which I'm watching. Those images kind of stayed with me. I could not understand the politics of those films. It was just the aesthetics of those films which kind of inspired me. Later on, I again saw those films and could, Eventually, I was active in theatre in Allahabad and went to the National School of Drama. And from there, my journey began. Our batch, 86 to 89, was the first batch of NSD where all the students in that batch were actors. Me and another friend of mine from Manipur, Kishorjit Singh, we wanted to go for direction, but the school said that we cannot have an entire faculty for just two students, so you have to go into acting. So हमने भी acting की, and soon after, in the second year, I realized that I was a very bad actor. First of all, what are you expressing? And how are you expressing? तो इसका एक तो पॉजिटिव पॉइंट है कि ठीक है, यू हैव दिस फैसिलिटी. उसका जो नेगेटिव एस्पेक्ट है कि हम लेजी हो गए. डिजिटल एज आने से हो क्या गया है कि नाउ एवरीथिंग इज अवेलेबल ऑन योर स्मार्टफोन. यू आर वॉचिंग एवरी कॉन्टेंट हियर. नोबडी इज गोइंग टू थिएटर्स. थिएटर्स खाली हैं. उसके रीजंस बहुत हैं. तो टिकट रेट बहुत ज़्यादा हाई है. सेकेंड रीजन जो कि बोलता नहीं सबसे ज़्यादा, इवन इन स्मॉल टाउन्स, I come from Allahabad, ट्रैफिक इतना ज़्यादा है, people don't want to go to theatres. ट्रैफिक सिर्फ बैंगलोर, दिल्ली, मुंबई में नहीं है. छोटे शहरों में सबके पास गाड़ियाँ आ गई, इतना ट्रैफिक है, people don't want to go to theatres. Eventually, film theatre में only big films, only Bahubalis will run, or all the Hollywood films which are coming. Fast and Furious and Transformers and all these Toy Stories and Jungle Books. Other content is going to come here.
I mean, your mobile and gadgets,
Mobile, your laptops, yeah,
Netflix and Amazon.
yeah, Netflix, Amazon, other premium.
Hey, but that's a very. Is it a doomsday scenario for filmmakers in India or all across the world, or is it an opportunity?
I really don't know, but this is happening all over the world. See, China is kind of protecting itself in the sense that they have a ceiling. You cannot all the foreign films which come to China, you cannot release more than 20 or 25 films in a year. हमारे यहाँ कोई ceiling नहीं. Every week there's a big Hollywood film. Jungle Book comes and वो शाहरुख खान की फैन से ज़्यादा कलेक्शन करती है. तो हॉलीवुड मार रहा है, बड़ी फिल्में आ रही हैं, बाकी का कंटेंट जाएगा कहाँ? थिएटर्स है नहीं. There are 12,000 some odd theaters in India. 6,000 completely dedicated to South India. बाकी के 6,000 में इंग्लिश भी है, भोजपुरी भी है, मराठी भी है, गुजराती भी है, हिंदी भी है, इंग्लिश भी है, सब है. थिएटर्स नहीं है. चाइना एवरी मंथ कम से कम 70 थिएटर्स इंक्रीज करता है. इतने थिएटर्स हैं चाइना में, और जो भी एंटरटेनमेंट टैक्स आता है, इट इज पम्प बैक टू द फिल्म इंडस्ट्री. सो सिनेमा थिएटर का वो एक्सपीरियंस, बिग स्क्रीन एक्सपीरियंस अब ओनली फॉर बिग फिल्म रह जाएगा. ड्रामा, स्मॉल थ्रिलर्स, जैसे ईरानियन फिल्म में कल देख रहा था, डॉटर, व्हाट अ लवली फिल्म इट वाज. मैं एक एग्जांपल देता हूँ. बहुत छोटे थे, एक मराठी फिल्म मेकर थे, दादा कोंडके. Okay, and Guinness, he had a name in Guinness Book of Record, consecutive number of silver jubilees, and he used to make these double meaning films. हिंदी में बनाई, ना अंधेरी रात ने दिया तेरे हाथ में, इस तरह की फिल्में बनाई. वो फिल्में चली, खूब चलती थी, बट हमारी फैमिली वाले नहीं जाते थे. मिडिल क्लास फैमिली वाले ऐसी फिल्म नहीं देखते थे. वो रिक्शे वाले सब देखते थे, चलती थी फिल्म. अभी few years back a film called डबल धमाल रिलीज हुई, 100 करोड़ का बिजनेस किया. इसका मतलब मिडिल, और उसका ट्रेलर देख के लग रहा था कि मतलब कैसी डबल मीनिंग का बाप थी वो फिल्म. मिडिल क्लास आप जैसे लोगों ने आके फिल्म में देखी मल्टीप्लेक्स में, तो लोगों का टेस्ट कितना खराब हो गया. तब लोगों का टेस्ट क्यों खराब हुआ है? क्योंकि हमारी पॉलिटिक्स खराब हो गई है. पॉलिटिक्स ही सब कुछ देता है, पॉलिटिक्स से ही सब छत के नीचे आता है. तो सोसाइटी खराब हो रही है, तो सिनेमा क्या करेगा? सिनेमा तो इस पार्ट ऑफ रिफ्लेक्शन है ना सोसाइटी का. तो सोसाइटी में जो हो रहा है वो सिनेमा में हो रहा है. सोसाइटी मर रही है, सिनेमा मर रहा है. सिंपल दैट.
We have seen that you are more attracted to films on gangsters and dacoits, kind of from Pansing Toma to Bandit Queen and then Sahib Bibi and gangsters. So why this fascination, should I say, this kind of themes?
Because as a kid, I used to love all these films. I used to love action. Then I kind of started introspective mood में चला गया. मैंने कहा why? Because you see, robbers, outlaws, gangsters, they celebrate freedom. They are always against authority, and I like that.
Yeah, he's saying robbers and these outlaws, they celebrate freedom. It's a punchline for you.
My favorite film is Butch Cassidy and the Sundance Kid. So that's it.
It's an interesting call. I mean,
They live in open spaces. They love
don't
nature.
care for any rule. I don't
Yeah.
care.
I would love to enter into filmmaking, sir, and I love your film, and they are very realistic and real actions. Everything is action. So, sir, what draws you into that inspiration to make realistic and real story movies? Because nowadays there are films, Salman Khan, Shahrukh Khan, and all. We actually don't like them, but we intend to go to watch their movies. We actually don't like them. They're outdated according to creativity, and the real essence of movie is gone. So I would like you to give us some filmmakers whom we can follow like you, so that we are not away from the real thing, essence.
You don't have to follow us यार. कोई जरूरत नहीं है. हीरो मत बनाओ अपने. हीरो बनाते ही तुम खुद छोटे हो जाते हो. If you make somebody your hero, then you're actually demeaning yourself. You should never do that. You're yourself a hero. And see, all the entire Northeast, jitne states hain, I think if everybody is digitally and technically savvy to these days, why don't you guys make an app and make your films like Netflix and Amazon as a platform to showcase your content? Why can't somebody get somebody who can put some seed money into it, so that you make that platform and you showcase your talent, and people eventually you'll generate money. All Assamese, Udiya, Meghalaya film, Arunachal ki picture hai, idhar sab, all films there on that. You don't need a theater.
That's what he was saying. You see, the things have changed now. कि बहुत बाहुबली को देखने लोग जाएंगे बड़े सिनेमा हॉल पे, for rest all of us, the platform is going to be digital platform on your
You
hand.
don't need a picture hall to showcase your talent now. So if you, the entire Northeast, all your filmmakers, all जितने हो अभी Facebook में होंगे friends, everybody, if you guys get together, make a platform and start showcasing your films there. Eventually, you will generate much more money. You'll become like Zuckerberg. Yeah? I'm telling you.